Welcome to the Rey'sWay show. Today we're going to be making slime, which we don't have anything to make slime with. So we're going to be using this Elmer's Fluffy Slime Glue, Fluffy Slime Kit. And it contains two Elmer's Fluffy Slime Activator. And then Elmer's glitter and color glues. So there's that, so you can see it. I will be having the pink one, but I will be having the blue. Ooh, yours is glittery. Glitter. That's really pretty. So just don't start jumping it yet. And then I have this one. It looks like it color changes, but I don't think it does.
I think it does. I think it goes into dark.
It says you're great for slime.
It's washable.
Yeah, yours is too. I don't know. But yeah, and then we have our activator. So we're gonna sit down so that I can see your face.
Let's get them on.
Okay.
There's nothing at the top.
Ooh,
it looks like a booger.
I just got it all over my leg.
Try again. Oh,
Mine has a big bubble.
mine's just like slowly doing it.
Mine was very watery.
Yeah.
It's already empty. Ew, it's on my leg.
Well, yeah, because yours. That.
Waylon, keep them entertained. I'm going to go clean my leg off.
Ah.
Just don't sit in silence.
Why?
Because it's weird.
Look, that looks like a booger. It's like a big booger. Like and subscribe for more slime videos. If we get 200,000 likes, we'll make another slime video.
Okay,
All my slime's still dried out.
I'm back. Which, leg's a little sticky.
Yeah.
I'm just going to wash it after the video.
Okay.
And then you have a lot more.
Yeah, because mine's bigger. Come here.
I think mine's done.
Yeah.
I think that's good, man. You don't need...
Yeah, because I have a bunch of slime.
Oh, it stinks.
Oh, it smells like vinegar.
It does. Okay. Alright, so this Fluffy Slime Activator.
Fluffy!
It's washable, safe, and non-toxic. This little cap on it. Do we need to... Do you hear a duck?
Yeah, boo-boos.
Okay. So this is what it looks like. It looks like... Ew!
How much are you supposed to put in
It's
here?
just sitting in there.
How much are you
I
supposed
think
to
we're
put?
supposed to put all of it.
Not just right now.
Not right now. I'm just gonna mix and then pour and keep mixing them through. Till it
Ooh,
gets
those are weird.
slime texture. Did you touch it?
Yes, guys, like it.
Okay. It's already working. Can I have, well, it's not really working. very clumpy.
I don't know. See.
We're in the middle of making our slime.
How's it going?
Good.
Ish.
Are y'all making it foamy now?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
just, and the activator is like,
It's like all white and like,
it's weird.
it's not clear.
Well, because it's fluffy slime activator. Mine has probably just now formed.
When did you change, baby?
A minute ago before we started the video. Did you get your blood check?
Yeah, I donate blood.
Oh.
Ugh. Weird. Sticky. It's really slimy. Still.
You need more fluff?
What did you say?
You need more fluff?
Rita,
It's not fluff. It's
it's activator. It's not called fluff.
maybe a little bit. A little bit.
That's not fluffy.
Look at what it looks like. Watch. Ready?
It's like a stick.
Waylon.
What? It is.
I don't know what she's doing. Okay. It's actually going good.
I have to take my rocks to church.
Oh my goodness. I'm getting this everywhere.
Well, slimy. It's getting hard to mix.
Okay, we're just going to start kneading it now.
I think mine needs more activator.
Mine definitely does. It's
Too slimy.
I might have some. I don't know. Okay, it's
Yeah, I
not,
think you put too much.
no.
Cause if it's slimy, you put too much.
No, if it's like not stretchy, you put too much. It's really sticky.
Mix it, mix it.
If it's like sticky and slimy, then I didn't put enough.
Is it sticky and slimy?
Yes.
Oh, yours looks so cool.
I'm actually glad I had that like clearish pink, because now it made like a baby pink. Waylon, don't get it all over the table. Ew, ew.
Mix it, mix it good. It falls out of your hand.
Okay.
Mine's really stretchy.
It's really stretchy. Good to know.
Like stretchy.
I don't want to add more activator because I feel like
Mine's perfect. Ooh. This looks pretty cool.
But yeah, this is us making slime. Hope you like it.